What is castor oil? Castor oil is a thick, pale yellow oil that comes from the seeds of the castor bean plant. It contains a special fatty acid called ricinoleic acid, which gives it many of its unique properties. One common use for castor oil is as a laxative. For instance, if someone has trouble with constipation, castor oil can help by stimulating the digestive system and easing the process. In the beauty world, castor oil is a popular ingredient in skincare products because it helps keep the skin moist and soft. You might find it in lotions, lipsticks, and even hair care products, where it helps to add shine and improve the health of the hair. Castor oil also has various industrial uses. It's used in making items like plastics and synthetic fibers, and it can be found in products such as certain machine oils and paints due to its lubricating properties. While castor oil is generally safe, it's important to use it appropriately. For health purposes, like using it as a laxative, it should be used in recommended amounts to avoid stomach discomfort. When applying it to the skin, it's wise to test a small area first to make sure you don't have any allergic reactions.